twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? Hope you all are fine, safe and secure at your home. Your EVS teacher is back with chapter 6, our universe. Students, can you see something very interesting here? What is this? This is nothing but our universe. Our universe is very, very big, okay? Very wide. It has got so many stars. Can you see? There are so many stars. And a moon, very pretty bright moon. And earth, it has got earth and sun. What does our universe contain? Our universe is made up of moon, earth, sun and so many stars. What is this? What is this? Just now I told you, no? What is this? This is the earth. We live on earth. Do you agree we live on earth? Yes. The place which we live on is called earth. Earth is a planet. It spins slowly. Spinning, you know? Spinning. Yes, it spins slowly around the sun. Around the sun it spins slowly, and all the animals and plants live in the earth. And what else live in the earth? What else is present in the earth? There is water and air in the earth. Then earth is smaller than the sun. Can you see sun? Very big. Yes, earth is smaller than the sun. Next we will see, what is this? This is the moon and this is the sun. What shall I explain about the moon or the sun? Which one? Sun? Yes, we will move to sun now. Do you know that sun is a very big star? Do you know? Can you see there are so many stars? Yes, in our universe there are so many stars. Stars are very big fireballs. They are bigger than the sun. Here can you see? Sun is very big and there are tiny dots like these are stars. And in my rhymes I told you, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Stars are little, but now I am telling that stars are very big. How is it possible? Yes, stars are very big. They are bigger than the sun, but it looks tiny or very small because it is very far from us. It is very far from us, so it looks very tiny or very small. And do you know when do we see stars? Exactly, alright. We see stars at night. But do you know something? We can see stars. Stars are also present at day, but we cannot see. Why is it so? Why we cannot see stars at day? Because the brightness of sun or the light of the sun is very high, okay? The sun is very bright during daytime, so we cannot see the light of the star. Other stars, they are very far, no? So the light of other stars cannot be seen because of sun's light. So stars look smaller, but they are very big and they are very beautiful. Tim, yes. Next is sun. What helps or what is the help of the sun? How it helps us? Sun gives us light, and through this light we get summer or we get sunny days, and it also gives us clouds and rains. And what other things? When there is cloud and rain, it makes our plants grow, plants and trees grow, and animals are depend on plants and trees for food. At that time, earth looks very beautiful with all plants, trees and animals. Because of sunlight, our earth looks beautiful. What happens if there is no sunlight? What will happen? If there is no sunlight, our earth will become cold as ice. The water will freeze into ice and we will feel cold. And because of no sunlight, plants will die. And when plants die, animals will also die. But the sun shines and it gives warmth and light to the earth. Then, where do the sun rise? The sun rises in the east. When the sun rises, it is morning. And when the sun sets, it is evening. Where do sun set? Sun sets in the west. Okay? When the sun rises, it is morning. It means the sun helps us to see the time. Morning time, sun rises. And sun sets in the evening. Evening time, sun sets. It helps us to tell the time. And where do sun rise? Sun rises in the east. Sun also helps us to find directions. How we find directions? Sun rises in the east and it sets in the west. East and west. We can see the direction through sunlight. And next is moon. Have you seen moon at night? Yes, very pretty. What do you say, Chanda Mama? Yes, it is very pretty and very cute, no? Moon. When do you see moon? Moon is present at night. But do you know that moon is also present during daytime? But we cannot see it because the sun's light is very bright and we cannot see the moon. And do you know one thing? Moon does not have its own light. It does not have its own light. Okay? How do it get light? It gets the light from sun. See here? Sun gives the light to moon and moon shines at night. Okay? And the next thing is the portion where the light of the sun falls on moon is warm. And the portion where sun's light does not fall is cold. Have you seen there are different shapes of moon? Sometimes we see crescent moon, sometimes we see half moon, sometimes the moon will be like a bowl and sometimes we see full moon. But the shape of the moon remains the same. Because of the sunlight, we see different shapes of moon from the earth. But the actual shape of the moon remains the same. Okay? And do you know one thing? I told human beings and animals, plants, we all live in earth. Okay? But do you know human beings have traveled to moon? Yes? You know that human beings have traveled to moon. How did they travel? How did they travel from earth to moon? Through spaceship they traveled to moon. Interesting? Yes. What did we study today? We studied about our universe. What makes our universe? Our universe is made up of sun, moon, earth and billions of stars. So many stars. And which is very bigger in the size? Stars are very big in size. Okay? It is bigger than the sun because star is very far from the earth. It looks tiny or very little. And next comes sun. Sun is also a star. You know that sun is also a star. Sun is bigger than the earth, and you can see sun in the morning. Yes, it looks like a ball. But do you know that sun is very big because it is very far away from the earth. It looks like a ball or small. And next comes earth. Earth is smaller than the sun but bigger than the moon. Okay. And in earth, there is air, water, and who and all survive? Trees, plants, animals, human beings. We all survive in the earth, and our earth looks beautiful only when we get sunlight from sun. And next comes the moon, the pretty moon. Okay, moon does not have its own light. It gets light from the sun, and we see moon at the night. I hope you all have understood today's lesson. Thank you. Jazakumullahu khaira.